The southern cassowary is Australia's heaviest bird, weighing up to 76 kilograms. It reaches 1.8 meters in height. He comes second only to emus and are also polyandric. The male rear the chicks. There are 3 species, one in Australia. The southern cassowary's dense, jet-black plumage allows it to blend into a dark rainforest environment, keep dry, and protected from thorny plants. Cassowaries are tropical forests birds inhabiting the northeast areas of Queensland, and the population is estimated in 1,500 to 3,000 individuals. Cassowaries are frugivores and eat fruit that has fallen to the ground. The birds are considered keystone species because of their role as a major seed disperser of up to 238 rainforest species. Without cassowaries, those rainforests would not be able to survive. Habitat destruction and fragmentation are the main causes of the cassowary's dramatic decline. After cyclones, cassowaries venture closer to human settlements, and this makes them more vulnerable to existing threats, especially dog attacks and collisions with vehicles.